Hi, this is MOTOROLA Edge 40 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant option on this device. So let's first launch Google app, tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings, then tap to voice section and click to voice merge. Just to activate Hey Google option, click once on the switcher, tap to more, I agree once again, continue, not now. And now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. To Assistant to recognize your voice, you should add your voice model, so tap to retain voice model and say, OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set the timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. And after that, just tap to finish, and when you'll say OK Google or Hey Google, this option, as you can see, successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.